This cuts. But yeah, welcome back to another one. Balingani Podcast, episode 12. King delay mfana sesine bathi lo snail pace.
Hayi
Khiphani.
bekubhizi King. Bekubhizi bafana kufanele sidelay. Life has to happen. King impilo ayicala ayigcine ngale podcast. Lana nje siyasivela kutohlephula something. Indlela
Hey.
ungabatshengisa labantu indlela esibhizi ngayo labanye bangathuka ngenteka bangaphasi.
Labanye King bangamangala lo mnyaka mangala. Uwe phasi mfana umangala cha. Ngale abantu babhizi kangaka.
Ubutshela indzawo lebhlungu bafana wena uzabule iAfrika yonke wayicetha uyigudla King. Uyigudla.
Angayicethi King.
Ucishe wayicetha.
Kancane.
Ucishe wayicetha King from up to Malawi.
Yeah, up
Mina
to
mancane
Malawi.
maswatle ngwatiko lahamba fike eMalawi King, very few.
Yeah, inkinga hey. Ungathi uyokwenda nje King eMalawi wena. Uluswati nje kunomzala wakho or ufuna amathuba lamasha emsebenzi or uyokwendani. Because akusiyo ne-holiday destination njengabo Tanzania.
On your way to Tanzania King, phela nawe eTanzania uhamba ngebhasi ungahamba through Malawi. Angithi.
King kopha
When you were very close to TZ.
mina King ngenang experience yami lengibe nayo King ngekushaya i-round eMalawi. Angitiboni King ngiphinze angitravel eAfrica ngiphinze ngebhasi. Rather bo Zimbabwe na Botswana, Lesotho, onke lamashitela atwitana ngawathinza Mozambique. But kungena njengabo Malawi letulu so kusengiyachubeka ngiyangena. Nah bro, don't do bus ngiyakuchazela. Because one onke lemabhasi lowacabangako King akekho yabona. The top buses bo Intercape who's this other guy? Yini lenkulu King khona semelika le. Bo Greyhound abahambi lapha kuti luxury travel lapha ukuthi we're doing it for fun, it's luxury, it's nice. Nah bro, it's survival. Fike ekhaya yabona, it's not good to travel, it's all about survival. I want to get home. That's all. I don't care about the comfortability and everything. I want to get home alive. Yayibona lento kanti mangabe sishaya around ubona bo Mozambique nobani bani King suke sihambile luxury ukuthi kuse I'm enjoying ne sleeper couch phela kuthiwa ma sleeper couch King labo nangizala labo Greyhound labo Intercape ma sleeper couch yabona breaker lesitulo lale uyachargisa la eceleni King kune aircon levula ibukane nawe weva njengamoya oyingcwele. Bro mina ngiyile Malawi bro, don't tell me bro.
Kuhamba njani kanawe eMalawi King asongibreak it down usuka kule bus.
Suke Jozi King. Suke Jozi.
Kune Jozi Sandton Hill bro.
Jozi downtown. Jozi downtown King, like some other shitty place. Yeah, ayina downtown King one rasa angiyade phathe Joburg leya King, like ngicala kuba kule Jozi leya. I mean like angiphinzi ngiye kule Jozi leya. The darkest part of Joburg. Akusiko ukuthi utogibela le bus enang King ePark Stage njengamabhasi onke ukuthi kunemathikiti lapha kunema-glasses ufike ukhulume nalabelungu lapha bashaya emishinini. But King uvele ubone ukuthi kuse I'm being smuggled here now. It's fair. I'm being smuggled now. Because King sithe masifike lapha King lamabhokisi siwakhanzile lapha. Lamabhokisi ongena ebhasini, amabhokisi amafriji in kunebantu King.
Ifriji ebhasini King.
Oh, come on, bro. I'm speaking here. Allow me to rap. Angisho King banaloku mananga la ngemuva. Kuba ngile bus ne bese idonsa lenye carriage. Lelayisha imithwalo la ngemuva le carrier yabo. Le carrier yabo King iphinze bekisa ukuthi maybe ngi2 ama quantum. Isize yawo inkulu. Hayi ma quantum mancane. Kwendlu you can make a small house kuko King, ngofaka umbhede nanani uphile la khathi kuko uma ungakubeka phansi lokuthrailer kwabo lokuyapha. Engikwakhe kanjalo kunganga le bus cool so kuhamba kuna 8 umathayi 8 wheels two yakuna 8 wheels cool fakwe nama fridge la ngikhathi lokunya ukwathi uthini ngigcwele awungena la ngikhathi king le passage king mase kuhlelwa ngumva igcwele tindo tikhwama ini like some few niggas is be standing and stuff. You understand? Uyabona king. So, and now sekuqala kusa kuwe king as a passenger lebuye Eswatini king. Qala kusa kusi no man. This is not because king the previous night semaboneng se what's this place? Besikuphi kopana yini endzawo besikuyo the previous night king.
Benaphansi vets king. It was naphansi vets nguphi? Ebram
bese Bram king kumnandi. Yabona ingqondo yakho ukuthi king gibe phasi the fly. Yemalawi yabona ngiyogcoba ama passport everything will be smooth. Le ngqondo isho njalo king ushaya around yabona into vlogger lapha kube khona ntwana fire. Kuse sekuyasa king ekseni. Kuse king what in it here. What in it? It's happening. And another thing king kude ke lo muntu okhuluma singisi. Nawe like good umuntu okhuluma singisi now. And king basemalawi bane culture yabo ekseni ngeva ngale culture yabo. Le culture bekusaba abantu. Uyakena le nto le information leyo. Kusingathi bane bashayi so babasaba nje abantu basemalawi ba. Yabona ubu-26 babo. Ya bane-26 angisho so kufuna baqale bakufunze bakusabe or bakusaba or bakufunze kunomuntu okugamula kahle lenhloko lengeva I don't know bro. But lapho besibathi siyakhuluma nabantu king bangasinaki kufika lenye out ezamako ukusikhuluma lesingisi yasitshela ukuthi singene lapha ngikhathi sangena. Another problem king sithenge online sine ticket. And ngiyatibuta ukuthi ngabe why le bias line le ya king lama ticket wadayise online because ngathi labantu abasebenza lapha abada ngalama ticket online like bamangala ukuthi usho ukuthini. Labantu kufuna ufike kubo basitshele ukuthi like bamangala king ukuthi yini lo yishoko uyamthuka lo muntu abayati lento king but ikhona le website yale bhasi like isafika check access online so samnika okay at least lo waseJoburg wa understand wayithatha fast and check I think uyati waseJozi because waseJozi wasa telefoni wa check le ticket wayangale wafika wabhaliswa sesihlala lapha engqondweni yami ithi king sesibhalisiwe kusiyongena ebhasini usengabhaliswa ngene ebhasini. Angathi ubhaliswa kiphi system sekufuna nibuye ephinze njengoba kuthiwa hlala lapha bekufuna nihlale lapha senathathwa king ngiyela lapha ngikhathi sekuyabidwa ligama bani bhaliswa phasi passport yakho in hey where are you from yachaza lapha sabanika passport yethu lapha hey bawubuka sikhathi esithe bayigucule and bamangela abantu sisiyaphi king and nami sengicala kuva king ukuthi kuseye here you might be eaten kungenteka sidleke it's a wrong pass yaken mina bengithi this is a wrong pass because kude namunye lokhuluma njengathi kude bonke labantu bayadana lapha sini ngithi le two lengadi ukuthi what's happening king and everyone is on it because lapha sibona khishwa imali king lapha eJozi masuka khishwa imali king bumbele ukuthi imali uhlala lamalangazana amajita lama conductors ale bus hlala le because yonke le ndlela king bekudizwa from Joburg to the border gate bekudizwa king and sidize to a level ukuthi kudizwe kwaze kwadiswa khona la khona la kufika ingene khona ebus king kuweyo le mthwalo bathi ma way bridge betibona indzawo lethu.
Ngiyabona way bridge yes
way bridge king kufika kwaphinze kwadizwa nase way bridge because the bus beyithwele kakhulu king ukuthi ingendlule way bridge shothi ngithi ndokufuna tisale phela nebantu abathide basale so kose ukuthi kudizwe lapha I think imali king namachita labala idizile from la khathe eJozi la khathe South Africa king from Joburg to the border gate is more than 6,000 rands.
Yeah. Just bribes.
I can explain again. Bantu laba labhasini king half of them ba illegal bede ma passport bebasebenza maybe whatever Eastern Cape because most of them base Eastern Cape ngiveka ngabo Cape Town labanye yabona labanye bakubancane baseJozi yabona ba illegal abantu king is for years labanye bakutshela kahle ukuthi maybe 2 years 5 years lo munye wangena na passport king i-right that's what they do ne bangena nayo le passport i-right king ifika ibolele la mzansi yabona kwanza sokuhlala bo 3 years say expired and everything say malanga akho sekendlulile yabona so kufuna ubhadale lapha this bus labajite bus I understand ukuthi what's happening yabona nguwe nje umuslingi uhlela lapha ebhasini uthi utuke ulemo yabona enjoy on some fun bantu king balwela survival yabe kufika ekhaya wena you're on some fun trip. So half of
that's not a vacation bus, ne?
Nah, king, there's nothing like that. What you wanna go put is not a vacation bus. Even the stops at king are very limited. You have to use if they provide one, you have to use it very, very, very yabona because ikhona eZimbabwe nje. Ifike le bus emgwaqweni king kude emagarage bo shell ukuthi kuchanywa. Kwathiwa chanywe la. Emgwaqweni king. kudla imoto bafati ngale ngemuva amadoda ngembi kwebhasi. Yeah, King, I'm talking my experience here. This thing might sound like a movie. We might create a movie out of this thing. Because King, traumatized again. The whole journey, being traumatized, King, being believe ukuthi sitawufika futhi King, being say they might sell us because labantu abayikhakuba bangasidayisa labantu abendleleni for whatever price. Because uve King ukuthi lamavanga la ngenhla King bayosebenzisa nebantu ezumuthi. Lwimi.
Lwimi nani but King noniwe kuba Maswati nema South Africa. But ukuthi Swaziland and South Africa King bantu bakhona macanza. Bantu base Mswazi King, bantu base South Africa basoft kakhulu. We're very soft. Uyabona?
Yeah.
Uyabona King ngingakufaka ngingathatha liswati ngilifake amabhudo ngithatha liphile for 30 days. Lingafa. Singalanza lifile. Ngithatha liswati King ngiyolibeka eZimbabwe for a week. Nginde ngabangise nga day 3 usekusomjito wakho bese uyafa. Umshiyena kudla nawo konke King.
I King Africa ihluke kakhulu King. I saw that now. And Africa King Asia say Africa dog. Yabona kude into limata ingcondo King njengokuthi the moment uceda kugoba eborder gate South Africa le Airway Bridge ungena eZimbabwe. Uva ngathi King ungene kulomunye umhlaba King. It's like getting out of an office. Uthi nje mawuphuma la uthi mawungena King la mawuphuma nje la office King ungene edamu letinkomo. Angade uma ngibeke kahle yini. Like lesivalo mawusivula ungena la office. Uvela ungene nje edamu. It's two different worlds King lahlangene mara. It's just a neighbor bro. But it's just two different worlds.
Ahlukaniswe ngile border, ahlukaniswe lwayela in fact.
Even the mindset, I'm not talking about infrastructure. Lihle kakhulu border gate yaseMozambique, yaseZimbabwe kunase South Africa Airway Bridge. Intswembu King. Like beauty wise, Zimbabwe inside has got a beautiful border gate. The mindset King. Labantu King. Bahluke kakhulu kunalabantu uthatha kudila nabo nyalo. Labanye bantu King angibatu say but different line. I don't know what if it's intentionally or it's just to fuck with your mind. Angathi sibakwendedani King. But nje bahluke kakhulu. Nale system egcoba konke King, it's two different things. And bakudrain mahala because hey King lapha kadiwe kuse. Thine sicishe sadiziswa ukuthi isigrandi everything is okay, it's legal. Siyadeserve lokuhamba. Just because isihamba nebantu aba illegal, but we almost King sibadale just because lekungcondo better ukuthi nesalile ukuthi angeke. Tobona labantu bebhasi thina sibadale ticket ebhasi yale. Passport yegrand everything is okay ngathi. So as these send the fuck all sekhaya. Because ngeke ngibophe ngeke wende for call King passport yami grand just because nje the culture yalapha kumele udize King sihleli something like 45 minutes lamajita ibhasi ngahambi King because kunama passport nanga la 2 nanga lahlukile now onke lama passport lankhathi and labantu laba right bayapi whatever I don't know what was the talk but it's some after 45 minutes King smisi bus so yabona ukuthi say this too King kunendlela uvela uyibone lendlela the moment ungena eZimbabwe kuse kuthi kuse hayi kuhlukile mfethu iZimbabwe King yakela ngibona khona ukuthi grand bese lekhathi le kupha yini lidolobha labo leli
Harare. You went by Harare, right?
Yeah, Harare King nakhona sinceceleni Harare. Yeah, sinceceleni Harare. iHarare King uyayibona ukuthi they were British here. Bekunebongama la. Uyabona ukuthi bekunebongama.
Ngiyabonakala ukuthi kunebongama.
Yeah.
Manje asesipose King kancane. So you live Jozi. You're on the bus for a while, maybe in 22 stage 1 or 2, nifike border, niyangena border, ngena inside Zimbabwe. Niyanyuka, now you're in Harare. Wait, when is the stop Sakama? Before or after Harare?
It's before Harare King. Size manje masiphume border gate ne sesingena eZimbabwe. Sahlangana accident la ngaseketeni lesekli shako so. Yabo nje mo yeah. Because ukuthi sijike siphume ngalenye indlela siphinde sibuye. Sayishaya King sekusebusuku lapho sikamsisiketeni siwe ngabo 8:08 entsambama sisetsabula sesiya kuphi sesishaya eZimbabwe nyalo lamkhathini kwendlela King ebusuku so for sure bekubo 11 masima la ndleleni isichama
so Tunda
stage King bazama kulungisa lomgwaqo ke along the
And then how many hours in Zim? Because usuke one border of Zim to the other, ungene Mozambique, right? Uhamba kanjalo ukuthi now uyongena eMaputo, uyongena Mozambique. How many hours then umhambe inside Zimbabwe?
It took the whole night. Gwasa.
Yo.
That drive. Yeah, it took the whole night. Gwasa. To drive until maybe buma 10 exen.
Then now you're on the Mozambican border. Lenga
10 exen. Yeah, 10 and 10, 11 exen. Say on the Mozambican border. Yeah, say Mozambican border. 10, 11 exen. Somewhere there. Say Mozambican border.
So you get into Mozambique. How many hours go let's strip to Mozambique? Let's do the dead.
Hey, we are strap, King, because this is strap, very strip there, so the whole day. That's just figure put a gate in the about 4, 3:30, 4. The same Mozambique, they could see we are on the other side, because so figure Malawi. Yeah, Pinzambama King. Ega 100 say it's yo King, nangi advise King, like I don't advise it. That it's for survival. The strip is a survival. Good lang mbonile King lo fana nam la pa. May pling yenay or lang biyenay or may pling slanganay nga mistake kasi drop ni Malawi. Good. Good King. Good talk like there's none.
So then you
yeah.
So you get into Mozambique, completely different world.
Not really.
Malawi, completely different world.
Not really. In Mozambique, the Zimbabwe is hambili before singene Mozambique. And the Mozambique is hambili before singene Malawi. They are not different that much.
They're similar.
Similar. Short houses.
At least.
Nothing double 1 meter King. I think because she's a the King la pa. Ngulunga King langa na khona kusile lethu. For them it's normal 42, 43. It's normal. Yabon. That's why batak ngalendlela leya King. For them it's normal lama hita ya shisa King from la petulo limbombo nje moqala uthi kunyuka so say Africa yashisa King. Shisa ngendlela ecakile nolomoya uvuthi yashisa bakathi nje imfisha ke bantu bakhona somewhere like 1 meter so. Yabona bayifulele ngetshani 1 meter high mawungena ushona phansi ite lethu akusinjengathi King ngikhuluma ngasemakhaya King banathi nje grand. I think that the 1 meter dale sama for sure. I think kusibavela basishobe ukuthi I think tikhuda khiwe ngelidzaka and imfisha so balala khona lapha and kunesomiso King le part leya manyuka so uZimbabwe like le strip lesihambile thina le mifule i dry King so labantu bagubha la khathi emfuleni ngathi kuvele manje from pass underground because lo mfula yabo uhamba lalo omkhulu kuleli bridge but ku dry le bridge ubona isandi bese ubona kwemigodzinyana abagubha kwalabantu King just to thule mandana lapha ngathi mabathule nekuwasha or whatever ngathi akuse King hlukile nje indle hlukile mfethu like is uvela King usho mbamba ngafa ulanza nje umvimbabane King umnike kudla umnike konke King ngomba umhlalisa lapha. I promise you bro
angafa King
might never make it home like Jerome's niece.
King I know the King of South Africans they're squealers. I know a squealer when I see
King yakena ukuthi benginyanye yonke lendlela ne ngaze ngofika eMalawi yabona but ngithi mase ngiseMalawi King sengireminisa sengipholile nalingathi ishaye kahle nga understand ukuthi why labantu bete la King ngasho nami ukuthi nami if bengiyibo labantu laba King bengdo shaya exodus ngishone to the south King. I was gonna go to the south ngiyophanda khona King. You can never survive le mavela wa King. I think you can survive mangabe ukhule khona dalwe khona and stuff. But King mangabe sowukile waphila nje ngathi ngalakithi King wahlala ngalakithi ngala wathi lenhlupheko yethu yabo inhlupheko yethu mfana it's nothing. Mina I'm sure King ngiyibillionaire King. Showcase le mpilo lengiyiphila King ngiyayibonga ngiyajabulela King. I'm grateful King. If you out King on the sky leneslevel esimhlophe King lebukako and if le out there khona King iyendelele divide leso King laba ibahlalisela laba ngifuna bahlupheke kube madima laba ngifuna bahlale la ngifuna laba baphile softer laba King ekuse I can migrate south.
You're migrating. Ngikubuhle ke King because now you have experienced le Africa ayonke but a decent amount. Uma ngithi kuwe King mina I remember a few episodes back ngathi kuwe mina King why thina singahambe siye Europe siyocela amabhuda lawa ukuthi akuse konakala ukuthi senicosheni majik. Sicela nibuye Pathinya.
Yeah.
Sicela nibuye. Sihlala netafuleni sibuke ukuthi yini lesingayenda. What do you say to that Nyalo? Noma say Pan-Africanist.
Ababuye King again. I believe it's ababuye. Yeah, ababuye King. Like eish. Una ngikubekisela King. Yabona mangene eZimbabwe. From Zimbabwe to Malawi. If ungabona lamaphoyisa King.
Lato hustlisha lamgwaqweni.
Lamaphoyisa King like is a traffic cop, bro. You've got to respect this gentleman and this gentlewoman. They don't look like cops. Not even close. Kuyahlekisa King again. Awumhloniphi umuntu kuyahlekisa. Aphethe ethi why King like the officers of the law. Yabona King say bro. Bantu King lebangatravel King labantu laba babathi bahambe babacoshe la King. Mfethu kube bayati ukuthi labantu laba King why ba resist the so King. I promise you bro. Ababuye King labongami la King sikhulumeni ukuthi okay senasona vele because bekude emabhoda nalamadrati konke le system lesinikete yona leni yasini siyalwa lana silambile labanye balambile makhelwane wakho ngale ngeshare lo value draft maybe ngumzala wakho udla kahle ngale South Africa mina ngalokuthi nje ngala kuyangibulala mina ngibulawa indlala kuyabhetha uyabona lo ngale senenjani azameni kwente le system ukuthi khone because King mina ngibuza Africa King ukuthi iphile grand ukuthi sivulela uyathi uthi into Swaziland isurvive angibeke kahle lento neLesotho ukuthi thini
Arabeleni King eSouth Africa
maningi ukuthi anga migrate kakhulu eSouth Africa like njengabo sibali bethu ngala ngetulu ukuthi ba migrate kakhulu eSouth Africa uyathi kubangelwa yini lo King le rand sine access to the rand lilangeni King libambe rand kube
thina King
kuba kusiko lokho I swear to God Swaziland iZimbabwe even worse
thina silabeleni King lemzansi neLesotho uyilabeleni lemzansi nangathi umzansi uyasusa labeleni kungaba le King there's a verse ukuthi kuyoba nekukhala nekugedletela kwematinyo you know
it'll be the crying and the gnashing of teeth King
ngicela ngiyibuka le picture King yegedletela kwematinyo uyayibona
King ene lokunye phindile ngakubona King ngokubonile King ukuthi kuse we are very lucky King we shouldn't look down upon them labangale they're not dumb they're not stupid you understand lelo kwenteka kubo abasiklima abasinjanjani King ima governments abo ngendlela rana ngayo thini lokusende ukuthi abanenhlanhla King ukuthi sihleli tudane nale rand siyalibamba and nemali yethu equivalent to rand yabona kuba kusiko lo King ngasiphi thina bavela ngasurvive King Botswana maybe
Botswana
yabona ikusay Africa King kusesekuthi akukhula ngeke sikhone vele Africa King against ngeke iphumelele kusay nanyalo Africa King sesekuyinza indlela yayo bro like I promise you King ukuthi Africa King senabo 600 lo mnye Cherry King ukhuluma ku Facebook uthi ngipostela just for it because ngifuna ukuposta I think labo Cherry baba engagement labo Cherry abadla ku Facebook bahola ku Facebook or bafuna kuhola or bafuna inini yabona sekufuna vele ngabo lo shine la hey comment because ubhala because ufuna why you comment wena ucommentelani ucomment because ufuna commenta wena ufuna usenza comment ema status la mina King ngeke ngicomment to status this work again ngiyasibonga sendlule mina King
this work mina sengikuthi mlingane mina sengikwadi isikhathi lesidze wena King I think when Africa uyithanza kwendlula nami and mina Africa ngiyithanza kakhulu wena uyayithanza Africa kwendlula mina King ngendlela uthanza ngayo so I know ukuthi na ukukhuluma ukuthi kunenkinga la it's not ukuthi ukhulumela ukuthi ufuna icloud noma ufuna abapraise noma ufuna bathi hey revolutionary noma ini ukhuluma ukuthi King
yevele out deep say bosling ba deep
kunendlovu lengenela endlini siyithini lendlovu uyabona nengesiphuku bese lo siya hey hlalani phansi yasibuka ibhola King kunana indlovu ilandlini sitting room nyalo sihleti nayo uyabona siyenda njani lendlovu lena uyabona le ndlovu longikhuluma ngayo kunenkinga king ukuthi ngifuna kuye eZimbabwe ngiyi-African ilikhuni lendlela siyithini lento le ya nginga nini nikhulumela iCloud yabo king labanye ama-Africa lamanengi ngihlala ngisho kuwe king ede ingcondo yokusolva tinkinga noma ingcondo yokubuka tinkinga and ama-Africa lamanengi king njengoba sishido earlier on mina lengikhuluma ngekuthi kunenkinga kunendlovu lengenela endlini mina ngisitha lesikhulu umlingani kunanangi lovulela umnyango wangena le ndlovu landlini lo ngenzela indlovu lankinga kosinkinga uyabona
king wena inkinga wena king why hey yathanza nani kona tindvo yini nje exe king another thing ngicabanga mina king with most Africans king they didn't travel basengahambi king khamba kubona lesisho sicambe manga leso king khamba kubona
yes
Africa king sesemuva kakhulu chief I promise you Africa king sesemuva kakhulu iAfrica isesemuva kakhulu ungabuki king labo ubuke wena le ubuke South Africa ubuke maybe Egypt ubuke iRwanda okay iRwanda nayo vele kusiyinhle isesekhona nayo kulamavelanga ekuhlupha ubuke yini lenye live lengathi inconywana bogana iTopia king fly iAddis Ababa is a fly iAddis king moyibuka ngazi ukuthi Europe moyibuka iAddis
del Doroba yes
yeah le dolopha but ngisho king ukuthi masingathi siyaphuma singena kuma outskirts uyabona because king la kuhle khona king nalama traders that's where the money is at and you must know the money is from Europe Americas and all the other countries they have to build those buildings ukuthi abe mahle kanjalo it's not ukuthi kusukuma Zuma noma abanibani emkhondo wesizwe bakha le building yabafly i-17 ayikakhiwa king i-ANC argue me fight me
ngileta imali king kunemali lenzele yakhe i-17 ayisi imali yahulumende
ayisi Africa
ayisi Africa lenenge ayisi Africa kude info yakho ngihulumende king ngidokwaza king kwaze lwimi bafana mina nangi-evaluate live king ukuthi linjani yabona ngi-evaluate umzansi king ukuthi umzansi live linjani angithathi Rupert naMotsepe nabanibani ngibabekela mbi kwami uyabona mina ngifuna kubuka king ukuthi the average South African ukakaphi ukaka emtholo flashako nomkaka ngaphandle
king lesisowetho iphila njani king
Spikiri wathatha amandla kulatha Spikiri unathemandla njani yes ngiloko king lele sikukhulumako asikhulumeli king ukuthi yabuka why Motsepe bakhona boMotsepe king bakhona bo Rupert bakhona abantu abanemali but nangoba bale as a percentage of the population incane le percentage leyo mina king ngiconcerned ngaSpikiri ukuthi nangingena kangwane Spikiri uphila njani nangingena eMaputo king uSpikiri ngifuna Spikiri king nangingena eMozambique ngilayele ungangilayeli king lakuhlala tinjinga khona because le tinjinga maybe ding 100 200 300 11 5000 maybe
I think king labanye abantu bayilahla lapho king bayilahla la kuseleni ukhanza ukuthi uyabona nje mangikhuluma so king labanye abantu bathatha ngazo ukuthi njengoba sicoca so bathatha ngazo ukuthi sine sithi ngilokuthi nkulumo kwabo ay-Africa ingcono Africa ay-Africa nathi akusiye ehlathini akusijungle i-Africa yabona inkulumo leto kinto ukuthi yabona abakhuluma nge-Europe abakhuluma nge-Europe abavethi leti ndzawo ehluphekako you understand king ngitibonile indzawo ehlupheka kodwa se-Europe mina afanani Africa ehluphekako thina la king yakuphetha la king mina king yakuphetha la king mina ngisengaze ngibone mina Islam king maybe Italy lesinjenge Alexandra bantu baphila njengase Alex eItaly lemakhaya ngikhulumela kumakhaya mina emakhaya lebantu lebe nginaphila khona kahle nginethi inkomo notshani obuhle lobugreen and another thing king Europe and all these other countries king akhiwe ngomnotho lokhona la kithi la yaliwa la kuBongo la konke lamzansi lamagolide kujwa khona la kithi but thina kubhetha west la yonke konke lesibakubha ukanyukele yokwakhe bayo nama cellphone wena inini kude lokwendeka sihleli eyabona mfethu manje mfuma khuluma uthatha ngathi uthi mina ngiyingcolisi Africa
wena king because uyayithanza uyabona uyihambile uyayithanza uyaphawula ukuthi hayi man yathi le continent yethu iyalekhisha la singenta njani kuze kuthi nje wonke umbana king eAfrica ngiyabekisa abe ne-access to imfundo from grade 1 to form 5 nakafuna icollege uyabona for ukuthi wonke umuntu wase-Africa king abe nembombi lati ayivula uphume manje ahlobile uyabona For ukuthi wonke umuntu wase-Africa king abe nemthoyilathi ogaka kuwo ngilesi kukhulumelako sinenyalo lana uyabona.
King nelomsebenzi nje ukuthi abe nayo ijob lethide. Kena ukuthi king le-miles ngiwahambile king lenganalutho eZimbabwe. Ingabe indzawo leningi king lengana-next mahlathi kuphela ngisho sekuse. We can build industries lana ama-industries la serious ngale land lena ekuse. Utakhanza ukuthi ile ndemuntu uyabona. Land yabantu bani but lapha is king we can build a lot of things king. Yabona nje khona le Malawi king le. Lamatshe akhona amanyatele bathi neligolide leliningi lebesikhona khona lenzawo lebesikuyo le. Bathi neligolide lelibhaya king lamatshe amanyatele but bantu bakhona balade ligolide ukuthi yini hey bro come on ekuse king yathi lenye into ngikhulumela yona yini mina king even the education level king yikse bantu ekuse Africa yamanikazi ngafunzi bro
like info lekufuna siyilwe
I don't know ukuthi king maybe le education ihlukile kunathi or what but bro maybe maZimbabweans ayafunzile but ukukhumbula ukuthi ngimaphi lafunzile ngilawanga lesikhathi sale Rhodesia and stuff bomgaba basakuqaleni yebo after ukupheka sinkwa sesithengwa ngebhara king there was none like that king you had to hustle now because king live malihlupheka kena ukuthi abantu abaningi abafunzi the more live malihlupheka abantu abaningi abayi education because it's survival yabona so they have to work to eat yabona so ukuthi luxury luxury ke esikolweni ukuthi luxury yabona like Mozambique king from the war 95 yababona abantu bakhona king baya esikolweni in segments khona baya ekseni king makaphuma ekseni uma 11 17 lobunye usese 17 baphuma em17 laba baya esikolweni laba yamangena afternoon classes and because lemavela wa king bekedi luxury kufunza njengathi ukuthi from grade 1 to how many years in king lesihlala ekhaya singendi lutho singaqala kusebenza sengayibona imali yethu how many years
ngo-12 na ungabali crash
set the experience king that's why sile singafa masingakula mavela lawa set the experience span king but king eMozambique umntwana king lomncane king lona 6 years so yakwati kuhamba ogayinga amandongomane king nemakwakhe badayisa amapower lamgwaqweni
which I think it's a good thing.
It's a good thing king but the other thing it's a good thing because it's a bad thing again ngokuthi ugcina lapho kuphela they never proceed siba owner store lesikhulu bacala kuba kuyinhlupheko nje constant energy enhlupheko hleli lapho lento uyabona ngilafuna si-improve khona si-Africa hayi labo basenza kukhuluma hawu ubhala because usenza kubhala ya ekuse mina kokuqala ngithazi nekufaka ama-poster ngithazi nekuposta mina ku-Facebook upostela poster posting just for posting angiyili mina Africa king i-Africa kufanele siyisolve i-Africa ikabhetha
and lokuyisolve king it comes with acknowledging ukuthi lehlupheko lesinayo ayisi normal akufuni ngasihlupheka kanjena singenta njani ukuze sithuthuke but but athi uvukela mbuso usitha kufuna ubulawa uyabona le mvule kufuna ubulawe bese ubuka boZuma king labalutha umzansi because balutha phela bomsholozi king bawulutha umzansi banalamande akhe lamagupta
phila kahle king
but ihero uyathi ukuthi leyo ihero
I think another thing king in Africa ukuthi most people king again ukuthi abekho educated there's the thing bese sikhuluma king ukuthi people are treating political parties like soccer teams
they favor
it's like they favor the idea nanani you don't know even yabona khona into the surface level king yabona njengoba sikhuluma ngathi surface level temthoyi tendlekulala temsebenzi yabona those are surface level politics yabona sidinga lokho sidinga ukuthi ngikhona kondla abantu abami ngithola umsebenzi ogrand otongiholela kahle lokwangilangizani ngidinga amalungelo ami ukuthi a-observe ngidinga ukuthi yabona mangikhona ngifuneka esikolweni emsebenzini kuhambe fast yabona transportation ship it easy don't live in run a grand those are surface level politics yabona into leti bese kubona ama politics king la deep yabona even on the surface level politics ukwazi ukuthi athi nesihamba naZuma uthi nesihamba naSpikiri yabona uthi Spikiri king ufuna sesimnike 10 years ama chances for 10 years akaze lutho hayi bra yethu umzu you understand it's weak politics king asicabanga we are playing Africa siyethe ngiloko la Africa king uthi say yo bro
asikhuluma ngetithombi king sidaze sibulawa iBP awutshela ngetithombi kwenteka ngetithombi
athi fly king athi fly tasemalawi
uyangijabulisa man
hayi yakena usemalawi king ngiyabona ukuthi success blessed ngala ngendasi kwe-Africa king hayi bekude. It's 2-3 king. But it will be the flyest.
But bomama futhi bukhona bomama Africa king. Mina kunebantu fana king basemalawi lengibatiko ngakutshengisa la bete batafunda lapha ku Waterford bahle.
Yeah, inkinga mina king I was on that struggling side. Okay, bengise Blantyre.
British Empire.
Bengise Blantyre, the town. But bengihlala kulenye guest house out of the town few kilometers
It's
out
a
of the town.
suburb or
Yeah, it's a semi-suburb. Hayi, but hayi, inkinga eish, ngayibeka kanjani then? I think kufuna uye kule tindzawo ma-resort la khona kubona khona labo labahlobile mhlawumbe, but I mean I wasn't impressed, bro. Find a few at town. Ukwanza ukuthi lo nto oyibona e-town le 3-4 oyibonile 10 over 10. Kude ma-6, ma-8, ma-7s. It's just a 2 or 3 and then a 10 over 10.
Hayi king ngijabulisa umlingalo wafana. Mina ngikholelwa ukuthi dinhle tinfombi tase-Africa king. Just maybe bongayi kuyobuka tinfombi safuna sesigood lesibuka tinfombi king. But nje yawani.
King angeke ukhone kuba inspired if utkhanze sothenge i-KFC at 200 rand. Lova msokuyithenga 70 bani randa. Yabo already
uyakhumbula naseMozambique ukuthi iyadula kanganani KFC?
Uyabona king already sovela uphumile kulabantu uyabona. So disappointed. So kuthi into lenhle losoyibona king. If utokhona king ngikhuluma ngepetrol mina. Ipetrol kufuna uvuka nga 3 ekseni. Le line lekuthela ipetrol king ngilomnye umkhwemba we line. Labanye bashayela imoto lapha line bolala. Kuyafonelwana hayi sebuyile ugijima. Ubuye ekuse Africa king. Mangithi mina kusesekude. People think ngikhuluma ngama-jokes ukuthi hey bosimo tsandzela ku-podcast. Hey nobajide ku-podcast lawo. Hey bajide podcast athanza kuringa nje. Ubonile abantu anaringa lapha. Baba ngikhuluma ngepetrol king ukuthi ipetrol king imoto uyayishiya elayinini yolala. Kuthi ipetrol the whole of Malawi. Angikhulumi ngeBlantyre bengikhona khona. Talking about the whole of the country. The whole country kuthi petrol.
No petrol.
So uthini? Thanza kuringa.
Yako.
King sesesiningi isifane funa sendiwe la.
Good king. Not by us king. Thina kufuna siyekele nje Africa as is.
King I think it's in the king so anginamagwala lawa thina king sidaba nginamagwala king thina there's nothing because king nona makhulu endiwe still akasithi fokor lamakhulu it's just a cool to cool yafanana nje it never helps cool useless ayi weak le cool akasithi lutho lena.
Ngiyajabula king ngilakhuluma kanjalo kunalomjita wenu leni mthanza kakhulu bani Ibrahim Traore.
Ungililive kodwa umjita lo ngiyoshaya round ngifuna kushaya round ngiyobona lapha.
Burkina Faso.
Kunjani Burkina Faso bro? Yini bani bakhona sibaphila kahle.
Angada legend ngivela khuluma ukuthi le body le bukelkhethwa bayidismantlishile le ayisafuneki yabona.
So in other words ngekusakhethwa.
Okay ngani niyamthanza kanti nina nifunani king?
Yabona ukuthi is the same thing yabo Museveni, the same thing yabo Kagame, the same thing yalamajita lawa wo-Wanda wase-Tanzania lo makelo is the same thing. So uyabona ukuthi king it will never work.
Kenya le script
that's why ngithi mina it will never work because they're still using the yakela ukuthi king labo South Africa bangcono kakhulu king this side of it. Ngcono kakhulu king. Bantu king I think yalo bantu king kufanele acknowledge labahlala kalabo umzansi South Africa and them ngala ngithi ngalabo Botswana and them ukuthi baphila enang Garden of Eden. Everything is here luthi nelibisi bangacala ba complain king. Bangacala ba complain noma kuyafana akushintshe lutho ngisho ba complain. Kule luxury abaphila kuyo already. Even though bangabonisi luxury. Labaphila kuyo already but king kwazi wangena out esangisaphuma manje. Sengiyalidismantlisha likhethwa. Yabo lapho king bokwadi ukuthi sekunebantu king leboto perisha at night. Sekuphelile king nebantu abatonyamalala at night. Sisimazivuka kusene smart wayapi. Ukhona king.
King ngibuka beku okay maketala wami bekavakashele uye eSouth Africa, waye Zimbabwe, waye Botswana, yeah, and info
Yeah.
bakhomente yona King ngeMzansi.
Yeah.
Bakhomente ngendlela uMzansi. South Africa is very organized as far as an African country. Organized kahle. Kunale nkhululeko King, the freedom of speech. Ukuthi
Yeah.
ungasho ukuthi hayi man wathi ANC ayendi kahle. So they spent some time in South Africa King. By Kruger basuka bayezim. Ezim King.
When the mistake King befuna ezim khona abantu khona kuthola relief abangena eMzansi.
La airport King kune libhodi elibhaliwe ukuthi lana wakhuluma kabi ngahulumende. It's not guaranteed ukuthi utawuphuma la airport ufike la uyakhona uyabona.
King le airport ine camera leya lamaningabi King awushoot isithombe. Licala lelimatini.
You cannot. So I say that to say King uMzansi as far as an African country uMzansi abantu abaningi abakwati kubona sipho labanaso. uMzansi King kuphela kwelive le ma way off Southern Africa la khona ukhululekile unemalungelo la guaranteed ngahulumende. If uvosla malungelo anyathelekile ungahamba uyobopha uhulumende or someone for ukunyatheleka kwalelo lungelo lelo. In South Africa King, if ulikhona lelinye live lelinjalo eAfrica ngicela ukuthi ningicorrect ningitshele nang 400 rand wami la ngidamnika umlaleli utanginiketa le list leyo nang 400 imali I think 400 rand nang ngiphathela ngumaketala wami 400 rand nang King ngiyambona umlaleli lothi ubune
iBotswana njani yona?
iBotswana organized King but kusikhona sipakatane
ne
yeah Botswana is very organized ku free King but kukhona la igcina khona lenkhululeko yabona khona la ifike ihamba ishayise khona.
I think South Africa King yakene ukuthi discover mina masengiseMalawi King ukuthi kuncane kakhulu bengwadi ngeMalawi ngathi nje ukuthi kuneMalawi like I don't know the politics, I don't know anything about them, I don't know ukuthi nekuthi ngubani leader yabo like these guys beba under the radar kwendekani lapha shushiwa ngale indlela lapha King.
A lot of African countries King kuncane lokwatiko akhabo Bushiri phela lapha ngiloko maybe ungathi na prophet
bangitshele King ukuthi bangitshelile bangifikele ukuthi Bushiri wada sekasi lakhe la King.
Kunalenye pool King kwaBushiri.
Khona lapho King ngale ndlela 26 ngayo lo mjitelo yakhe ukuthi uphuma lapha. Abantu balapha King banokhana King again. Ukuthi wakho safe anybody King lo muntu othenga kuye iice utoknock. Lo muntu King lo othenga kuye esitolo utoknock. Lo muntu I think bana lo safe kubo King mongena bo Shoprite. Usafe ke lapho yabona.
Yeah, because Shoprite institution likamo King lelakheka enhluphekweni.
Yeah, taxi driver and anyone, like say King, nobody cares. But that knock. And if you so okay, no, but if make sure good thing no it's all a scam.
Good need. Icabanga King, the way lo hamba ngayo. Or lo sinasosuka khona biyela eMzansi. That's the way Bushiri lafika ngayo eMzansi.
Yeah, what you got rich blind King.
What so cabanga King lenkamo lekufuna ube ngilo.
Yeah King kufuna ukuthi njengoba bebenda King when the plan ukuthi abantu basukume esitulweni yabona wheelchair kufuna when the plan King ukuthi act good actors too King ukuthi lama miracle vele abonakala real. You have to kusetshenziswa imithi King ngizwe ngalinye team letmatima to survive. That's why thina lento isimangalisa thina abantu bangala Southern ukuthi hey abantu benda so because labantu ngihlupheke King lebendisa so. That's why King abanenzaba. Wena usenenzaba uyabona wena useneka ekhaya kini yolimo lapha akahlophe lapha King ufaka umbila nanani ensemini yakini nipheni begrand ugaye. Lo mfu King labuya khona ukude lishisa blind lini? Lishisa eliviki lonke 42 43 alikani ngisho kanye. Bede man. Bede busy.
It's a very different ball game King. Hey bafana. Kwendekani eMzansi King or anything new le ibonile ngibone lapha ngathi wende ma reaction video King asongiplug kwendekala lapha
no excuse King it's just music nje lomusha lovelako boreka kude lokwendekako. It's not a movement.
ngiyajabula ukubona King in your creative space, because mina yona from the moment ngikwati, mina ngakwati as a creative first before ngikwati in any other way. Again, like my first memories akho King when we creative from the jump, yabona.
So mhla ka-22 nje, mhla ka-22 bangibitile ngalana basketball games i-tournament. Ngifuna ngiyoba nge-MC lapha King, ngirane le show,
Master of ceremonies.
phindze maybe bafuna ngibashayele 2-3 weticephu. So King sengirastile, akuyena ukuthi angikho motivated kuyituna la ideng. Ngibe nje yangisinza man, sesima OG man. Impilo seyisway down King, ngalesikhathi sakhe ngibe sajabula bona ukuthi siyabulala. Ngive proverb, yamkhumbula proverb.
Proverb, yes.
Ngive proverb akhala
flow King.
Ngive proverb akhala here say bajita labanye bathi wena usakhipha music so uthi ekuseni lento ngayiyekela because lento bengangonje. Uthi uyabuka lapha ushaya amabhaz la serious, ama-metaphors. Ama-cats lapha hayi kuseni ama-metaphors ini. Makufika lisheke la kaSambro lapha nge-5 rand. Funeka 100,000 esikolweni semntwana. Funeka inini ngeke wondle umfana nanani ngemabhaz nema-metaphors. Umrapper ababhadalani kuyafana yabona. Wayekela mjita wangena kubo-idols wasebenza eredweni nani because funeka le mali.
You had to sell out King, and I respect that.
You have to sell out King.
Serious King ukuthi ngido sell out. Nami mina ngingathiwa ngitsheleni ukuthi ngifuna ngithengise bani, who am I selling out? Nginikele lisheke ukuthi lishekele ngimalini. Ngawo sell out King.
Mina King I will sell out King because ngibani King lo ngimotivate ukuthi ngingasell out, because onke ama hero bengisima hero arm King. After years ngidiscover ukuthi ma sell out. Ngento njani?
Ma sell out nema fraud
too. Ngiyasell out nami King and take the check. Ngibinze Dvu King. Kube ngimotivate blind. Ngathi kahle ukuthi ayispanda. Ayispanda ide. Motivate blind ngathi utsale ayispande. But motivational speaker.
But there's the check King. I heard what thing thukile King. So kunemali eningi lesuka eMelika, lesuka eEurope lengenile kubomzansi. A lot of African countries King kupusha ama-agenda, political agenda ase-Melika, ase-Europe, ase-Russia. Babhadala ama-influencer, kanti sibengayadi lento leyo.
Babhadala athini kuse?
Ngibekisa nje King, maybe bakubhadale wena bakubonisa ne-platform, bakunike ukuthi khuluma uphikise ukuthi ulwana ukuthi abantu abangakhokhi itisu. Uyabona? Uthole konsheke lokhu serious lapha, bakunika lama-talking points. Then once anleyo issue maybe ngabawina abantu ngale issue leyo yabona, but asese bakunika letinye tinto lema-agenda lokufuna uwafake slowly kule platform yakho yabona, upheka le ngqondo yebantu, you are creating bathini, you're manufacturing consent. Kunento lekufuna iyendeke, ngiyabekisa lekufuna iyendeke eMzansi in 20 years yabona.
You're preparing them.
Kungathusa nasingayenda nyalo yabona, but kufuna sihlanyele la tinhloko tebantu lembewu. Ngiyabekisa ukuthi ukhulume ngokuthi ufuna ku-privatize Eskom naleti mayini nani uyabona. Uma ungavele uthi 20 years from now siya-privatize mayini, kunebani lamelika maybe ngiyabekisa bafuna kufaka imali bathathe Eskom. Aneke bakwende school, but bangakufaka la kuma-content creators uyabona, slowly ugcine la tingqondo ventala abantu sekuyi-idea levuthiwe.
It's the same strategies with religion, with genocide, with all these things. Kuba no superior, yabona, inferior, but kancane over the years it get built up. So we belief system lephila ukuthi vele yabona kani into nje lehlanyelwa kancane ineswe inethe ne atwafake la masheke King. Mina abalifake nona kimi King. I'm ready for the check. Like come on bro, I'm ready for the check. Need something Melika ngiboneni belungu.
yakhe audience king uzubona ngani ukuthi lento seyifikile king kunemagama njengabo right wing left wing
ma right wing noma left wing magama lamasha lawo
magama semelika king le language language lensha le but yabo siyangena slowly getting in
that's why much itela smart king la njengabo Penwell kufuneka ugcine uyisefa information because ngewathi king ngale makoneni because bangani babongami lapha inze ngalabo Penwell and bo Penwell king bane live yabona abantu abaningi babalalela bo Penwell so kufuna ugcine ubagaza ukuthi yini ngasile nkulumo yabo sicela kushintsha.
I wouldn't be surprised king nangabe kunelishekela lingena kuPenwell neke ngibe surprised
yeah because kuPenwell king akusabi ukuthi kona kusasiya umzulu kona uyabona so yini manje angisasiya umzulu angisasiyini yabona but ngikhulumela nje simachitra influential kanjalo king ngifuna ukuthi esikhathini esingawa worship yabona don't worship those cats because utohamba king le information yabo kanigcine seningene eweni yabona lento yokuthi ngithanza iPirates mina king ngiyilandzela ngisho ngabe kuthiwa singaboni ukuthi sengilandzela league lana sizidliwa i10 ngilandzelana ngisalandzela in king yabona I think igcina kanjalo
I think nje king na umuntu uphila like ikufuna information yonke loyitholako kufuna uyisefe uyidatishe especially bo Penwell njengamachita nje bo Penwell king kunetinfo leti core letiliciniso latadisho a few mina ngusangimlalela kumlalela kunengindlela ngitida khona i-reasoning yakhe ayicaci for mina edo there's a few things that isho leti core king leti tawudweba labantu ukuthi balalele platform yakhe yabona kunela mashekela amakhulu king la tafese safuna ahlanyele kunenhlanyelo lekufuna ihlanyele uyabona nina in 20 years ndacabanga ukuthi idea yenu lokuthi nithi Eskom aka privatize we all came up with it no kunemjita king lo hlanyela lesihlahla 25 years ago athi ukuthi in 20 years ufuna kuvuna something uyabona
ekusay ish ngifunze maqiniso labhlungu ngale genocide yasenang leya yale Rwanda
eRwanda
ngidiscover enye into lamhla king ukuthi ngathi lo Buddha loya lokhona nyalo in power ngathi lo Buddha naye nguye lo initiator legend ukuthi yende
ungayikhuluma king ngoba usafuna kuvakasha eRwanda asesi
kuthi kozizwa king sikhuluma ngeSwati but ngivuka base lo Buddha king ngathi naye khona kule ncushunqusho ukuthi ayicreate le chaos yonke le chaos lekhona ngithi ekuse lamhla kusela ngiyibona khona lenzaba ngathi ekuse that's deep
kune chaos la creator king kuze kuto bajwa emandla ku deep king but ke shothi sovulekele elinye liso awusi conspiracy theories but kuneliso leselivulekile king leli takutshengisa kunetinfo king letendekako ungafika wonke kwa king yakhuluma kwaHlophe yakhuluma kwaHlophe king kanje kunemuntu king kuna script lebanginike sona mina ukuthi ngisikhulume uyabona or kunento lebanginike yona ukuthi ngiyende kuze kutakwendeka lenye info bese siyangena we swoop in we save the day uyabona
yeah ngiyo king
bese and then ngikothi in Africa we have to raise our awareness king sivule the third eye sitobona inang umhlolo useta uyabona
yeah king I think nje kuningi king education king our education system king iyabhetha as Africans I see right I sitting afokol because iyasicinzethela blind ayisasebenzi futhi sinyalo it's useless very very useless king lesithinga nyalo king lelinye ihlobo le education yabona lesinayo nyalo hayi mfana la ayisiyayisasita le sesigranding hayo mfana kufuneka lekusha bani sesivalekile ingcondweni kakhulu mfethu ngikubonile mina njengoba sengisummarize nje king ngikubonile king alokuhamba la lento lema currencies etimali ukuthi lokutshintsha every country lokutshintsha ngiyayilimata kakhulu eAfrica mfethu kufuna sebenza imali inye somewhere over time khona into toflowa lula and lokho king ngilengithe ngikudiscover lokho ngiko lokungavimba le nangizana le exodus yabona la kuthi labantu bapheke kwehle benyuka bangena ngalamzansi la kunemadlana ngakhona kakhulu kungayivala lento leyo because at least ngalimangana even the trading lokutrade kwethu masithenga ngakhona ukuthi ngisemalawi king ngithenge into you understand lesemzansi because I'm using the same money you understand it can be easy but nyalo ngendlela kulukhulu ngayo kufuna ngehle because le mali yangalana mangijika nayo ngekhaya iba flyer uyabona so kufuna ngehle vele ekusesekude mfethu
sesekude king but we hope mina optimistic bafana ngeAfrica angathi maybe delusional uyabona optimistic ukuthi in 600 years itabe seyifly Africa wankeka king
Lama generation mathe king but iqiniso ikuse
uyabona king ebenginelibutton lekubulala wonke umuntu lokhona eAfrica nyalo lo over 15 years ngibulale bonke laba over 15 years kusalela abana 15 bengathi lento le next generation sitayibona uyabona manje king nakusana leti ndadavu leti ndadavu ukuthi king awunathe mandi umile okay I hear that uyabona I hear that awunathe mandi umile the natural step king ukuthi ngibude ukuthi leni kabudwa umnomzala kabudwa uyabona kabudwa yabona king kusana ndadavu leto because phela king angati you saw that movie Rango Rango king there's a scene king lapha nga 12 emini ngehamba kuyokhiwa mandi yabona there's a scene la khona nga 12 emandi kuyokhiwa mandi yabona
ngokuphosela ibhakede lakhe
ushaya ibhakede kunalenye kuna sequence king of events ephana or else man and here's the thing king la mandi akhona manengi avalwe emabomu yabona but you cannot ask ukuthi kusele dance less yendelani ukuze sithole mandi why la mandi angeke uyabona think about that king think about that la mandi akhona king
but nje sivale emabomu
sivale emabomu kunalenye dance king lekufuna niyende ukuze nithole la mandi and nobody is asking ukuthi why la mandi why singabe nemandi lamanengi uyabona but akutshela ukuthi ungabudi umlomzala kabudi kusena le genge leyo king nathi sesikule age leyo ukuthi sesina ukuthi umlomzala kabudi kufuna sife nathi
nathi king sekufuna so I suppose it's in the king sesinebantwana nanani sesiready king kuthina kusell out sesiyadle information ngoba king sikwendekani sesiready for kusell out because even those guys that were in power bayathi yonke information bayathi sikwendekani king basell out kutsala nami king I raise my hand ngana khulu minyaka lesengiyiphila nyalo king mina sengicela khulu minyaka lesele yabona ngifike 100 angiyasell out king mina it's late for me ukuthi mina nyalo king akhuluma ukuthi sambele ehlathini ispercent ibhamu sokulalana nyalo ngeke mina ku late king for logo for mina nyalo
sekubhlungu shomadvoro sekunelibhlungu lonatho king nomvuko uyabona ke king ukuthi kufuna sale sifa it's about time king ukuthi sale sifa it's about time ukuthi sale sifa ngidakutshela next episode king kulethi info leti deep la ngibulele tona mlende ngamunye there's some deep things king la ngibulele tona aningakutshela ngifuna ukukhuluma namlende ngamunye there's some deep things is some of them king lokuthi kufuna sale sifa the old guard kufuna ive kuze nabantwana batokwakha Africa lephilako king including myself nami kule old guard king phela mina king ngathi sengi OG yabona OG king sanebucili lobunengi kunatinfo king ngifuna kubekisela king nawuseyintwana nawuseyintwana nangifike ngithenga tshwala king ngunathisa you don't think anything of it as nasimantwana nasemidlisa from 2 yabona nasesol OG king ngenteka kubese kuthiwe hey yabona nawufika lapha ubosha letandla leti kanje bese uvula lotshwala sonathi akucala soyabanika tasekwende uyabona and OG king sethi nenkinto la tibalako la ngqondweni lesethi wrong wrong vele ukuthi umuntu aphila sendlule ku40 eminyaka that is wrong because sokuqala leti inkinga leti tekusell out asishiye lapho king
I'm king sengisell outhile vele king sengubekile umbono wami but lo funa king kungithenga hayi you can buy a sling fresh sling
malini lesheke king malini lesheke how much of a check king nabangathi nje ngiyabekisa bathi singakunika malini ukuze uthengise
how much is sell out cost
how much king malini king awunginike a number king ukuthi nabangathi nje ngiyabekisa nabangafika 1000 ungathengisa in 4000
angeke king 4000 mina king ucala kunithengisa king yabona mase bacala ukukhuluma ngabo 2 million in dollars.
Mm.
That's how much in rent. That's 30.
It's
No.
almost 40 meter, King.
Almost 40 meters in rents. I can sell you out, niggas. I can for 40.
Hey, King,
I can sell you out, niggas.
Udulile, King. Minute $50,000.
That's a million rand. That's a million rand. You can make that, King. Logo ungatakela wena logo. Mina ngifuna imali le impossible ukuthi ngayakha in 5 years to 10 nyalo. Give me give me $1 million, 17, 16 million rand somewhere there. Niggas.
Illuminati ke King kufuna unike email yakho ukuthi kungene email. We need the email. Illuminati thatha email.
Kube kukhona mbamba lo King asonke simasela out ngakude lokuphilako King manje akukho leto Illuminati to a black man secret society to a black man.
Kunjalo King, no ngiyakuva King, let's sell out, let's do ngibonga lokuthi sibuyile nje. Next week we'll do something.
Ubuya King kahle nyalo yabona khipha le shell yabona but ke episode 12 abalike subscribe. Let's get into it.